What do you get when you combine cake with lollipops? Cake pops, of course, and they're pretty easy to make too. Here's how. You can basically use any kind of cake for this. We had some leftover poppy seed cake, and if you'd like to do the same, you can find the recipe in the description below. Otherwise, a simple boxed cake will work fine. Break the cake up into a fine crumb with your hands. When the pieces are roughly the same size, add a heaping spoonful of frosting. You can use any flavor, but we just use store-bought vanilla. Now use your hands again to incorporate the frosting into the cake crumbs. This is all about feel, so it's important that you use your hands to mix. Ours was feeling a little dry, so we added another scoop of frosting. The consistency you're looking for is similar to Play-Doh. It should hold together without being sticky. Use a tablespoon to measure out roughly 2 tablespoons of dough, then roll them between your palms to form an even ball and repeat this for the rest of the dough. Next, dip the end of a popsicle or cake pop stick into melted chocolate. Stick the chocolate-covered end into a ball of dough and repeat for each cake pop. These now need to chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes, just until the chocolate has hardened. Now all that's left to do is dip your cake pop in more melted chocolate of your choice. Make sure the cake is completely covered and allow all the excess chocolate to drip off before decorating with sprinkles and cooling for another 10 minutes or so. After that, you're ready to enjoy. Subscribe to Dish for more dessert recipes.